Hello guys, in this Java tutorial we are gonna learn the concept of abstract classes in Java. So before we start with abstract classes, we must know the concept of abstraction in Java. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the users. So there are two ways to achieve this in Java. One is abstract classes, another is interfaces. Abstract classes provides partially data abstraction, whereas interfaces provides 100% data abstraction. So in this video, we'll learn the abstract classes and we'll cover the interfaces later. Okay, so now quickly let's move to the Eclipse to understand the concept with examples. Okay, here we go. So we are in Eclipse. Let's try to understand this example. So I have defined an abstract class here. The class name is share. So only difference is I just appended abstract at the start. Signature is like abstract class and the class name. So condition is if whenever we are defining a class abstract class, it should have a abstract method. It can have other methods also like concrete methods, and it should have a abstract method also. So since it is allowing other type methods also, normal concrete method, that's why we say that it provides a partial way of the data abstraction. So here inside this we are defining a abstract method. Name is price of share. So we haven't created any body inside curly braces and all. That's how we usually do for concrete methods. Like here we have defined something, we are printing out the statement. But in case of abstract method, we are not doing it. Okay. So this is all about abstract class. Now, if we want to implement this, so we should extend this base class if we want to implement this method price of share. So there can be many companies and the share rate of their those companies might be different. So every company will extend this. So it's a class in our case. So every class will extend the main class share. It will provide its own implementation of price of share on that particular day. So we have three classes. One is Reliance, other is SBI, other is ITC. Each of them are extending share. So we have to use keyword extend and share. Inside this we have overridden the method abstract method. So this is must. If we are extending a abstract class, so we must implement the abstract method. Otherwise it will give us compilation error. So let's see. I'm gonna comment it out. Block comment. Okay. As soon as I commented it out, it started giving me the error. The Reliance must implement the inherited abstract method. Okay, so this is not allowed. I'm gonna uncomment it again. Okay. So similarly, so every class will define its own method and it will return. Since it's a double type, so I'm returning a double type value. Similarly for SBI, it is returning 300.67 and ITC is returning 290.57. So every class has provided its own implementation of the abstract method. Now this is our main class, public class. It has a main method. Inside this, what we are gonna do, we'll just create the object of the subclasses and call the method. Okay, and one more thing to note here, we can't create an object of the abstract class. So see, share is an abstract class. I'm trying to create a object of this class, but it's not allowing me. It says cannot instantiate the type share. Okay. But we can create the object of subclasses. So I've created objects of each of the class, Reliance, SBI, and ITC. And after that, I'm just calling this method Reliance dot price of share. So this price of share is implemented by all of them. So I'm just calling those methods. They should print out the share value on that particular day. So let me try and run it. Run as Java application. Okay, so as you can see, they are printing out the values according to their own implementation. So price of Reliance share is this, price of SBI is this much, price of ITC share is this much. Okay guys, so this was all about the abstract classes. Okay, so Please like the video if it helps. Please subscribe and keep watching.